Hello everyone, in this lecture we have to see the familiar user interface of Catia V5 software. Okay, let's start it. Whenever you open the Catia V5, it will display like this. The top left hand corner of the Catia V5, we will locate a fixed ribbon, and this is known as a fixed ribbon. In this fixed ribbon, we will notify some options like start option, file option, edit option, view, insert, tool, windows and help option. I am clicking on start option. It will display various workspaces like infrastructure workspace, mechanical design, shape, analysis and simulation, AEC plant, like this, various workspaces. Most of the mechanical engineers and aerospace engineers majorly work on this mechanical design because they are creating the external components of the machinery and assemble the parts, individual parts to make a single machinery, like that. In mechanical design workspace, it will display various modes like part design mode, assembly design, sketcher, like this. In part design mode, we will draw 2D sketches and then convert the 2D sketches into 3D models. In assembly design, we will assemble all the individual components of a machinery and make it a single working machinery. In sketcher, nothing but drawing the 2D sketches. In drafting, we will convert the 3D drawings into 2D drawings. And this is the wireframe and surface design. Whenever a complex shapes, very difficult shapes we have to create, and that time we will use this wireframe and surface design. And for digital mockup is used to we have to give a motions like circular motions or linear motions. By using this DMU mockups, by using this DMU kinematics, we will give motions to our machinery or motions to our equipment. Now I am taking a new part design. It will go to part modeling page. In this part modeling page, we will look at various commands. First of all, we will deal with a specification tree. At the far left, we will look at a specification tree, and this is known as specification tree. In this specification tree, we will look at three planes like XY plane, XYZ plane and ZX plane. These are the default planes given by the system. If you would like to create new planes, is your wish to create a new plane. And we have all of our history in this specification tree, like sketches, what type of commands used, how many commands you used, like this. All the information can we see in this specification tree. At the far right end of the Catia V5, we will look at a compass. The use of compass we will see in the future or upcoming videos. And this is the three planes. This is the three default planes. When I am supposed to place the marker on this plane, it will highlight the plane in the specification tree, like this. At the lower right hand corner of the Catia V5, we will locate a coordinate system. This coordinate system shows the X, Y, Z axis. At the top and right end of the Catia V5, we will look at various toolbars like sketch toolbar, modify toolbar and 3D toolbars like pad command, pocket command, shaft command, like this. Various toolbars are located, various commands are also located. We have option to choose the place of our toolbars, like this. We simply grab on this horizontal button and drag it. Like this, we have to change the space of our toolbars. I am changing the place of the sketch toolbar to display, like this. If you want to rechange it, simply click on the X button. If you don't find the toolbar in the top and right hand, go to tool menu. In the tool menu, we will look at a customize option. Click on the customize option. The customize option dialog box will be open. In this customize dialog box, we will look at a toolbar options. In this toolbar option, we will look at a restore all content and restore positions. Click on the restore all content and click on OK. And click on the restore position also. I'm clicking on this also. It will restore all the positions of our toolbars, like this. All the toolbars have appeared by of the part modeling, like this. If any command if don't to find, you can use the search bar like this, and this is the search bar you can use in the Catia v5. If any command but you cannot find that command, at that time you can use this search bar. I will tell you how to use this search bar. By simply click on the search bar, it will activate, and type C and column in your keyboard and type your command like pad command. I will type in the pad command and go and enter it. So the current work object is not a body new sort feature. It will asking is no any feature like no sketches is there, so why you entering the pad command? But the command box will open like this is the pad command dialog box, so the pad command will open. Currently there is no sketch, so I don't use this pad command. I'm simply clicking on this X button, and this is the total basic user interface of the Catia v5. Thanks for watching.